We come to chapel every day to celebrate God. It's a great way to start a first school morning.
You're right. Unfortunately, due to the COVID pandemic, there are not as many students that can attend each morning.
I wonder the maximum amount of students that we can fit in this chapel. Of course, following CDC guidelines that call for 3 feet between each student that is masked.
Let's do some math to estimate that number right now.
We can use these carpet squares to help with our measurements. Each square is 2 feet by 2 feet, so we can figure out the number for the left side of the chapel, then simply double it.
If you look at the left side and count, that's 15 carpet squares. That makes 15 times 2, which is 30 feet. So we can think of each side as an array of carpet squares with 15 squares across and 15 squares down. An array is simply an ordered arrangement of rows and columns with objects.
Oh yeah, okay. How many chairs could be placed within 30 feet distance while making sure there's 3 feet between each pair of chairs?
Okay, each chair is 2 feet wide. So if you think about it, it'll be 2 feet wide chair, then a 3 foot space, then a 2 foot wide chair, then a 3 foot space, and on till we cover 30 feet, right? Let's sketch it out. That makes 6 chairs going across the 30 foot space on the left side of the chapel. Now, how many rows can we have?
To figure that out, we need to imagine and measure a 3 feet bubble from front to back. That includes the chair. So how many of these 3 feet long subunits with the chairs inside of it will fit from the front to the back of the length of the chapel? The part of the chapel that has chairs in it.
Okay, it looks like this array has 30 feet divided by 3 feet, which makes 10 chairs in each column of our array. And there are 6 columns in our array. So that's 10 times 6, which makes 60 chairs on this side. Since both sides are the same, 60 plus 60 equals 120. So 120 students can attend chapel and they'd be socially distanced and safe.
Hopefully, one day we can all get back into chapel without having to social distance. But in the meantime, I'm just glad we can enjoy a nice chapel service safely.
Agreed. And isn't it cool that doing simple math is a great way of keeping us safe?